Hey guys, it's Koi. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you a super fun refashion I did using the Love Notions Terra Tunic Pattern. This pattern is great for beginners or advanced sewists. As you can see, it has tons of options, and for today only it's $5. So if you're interested in this, I'll put my affiliate link and some more info below. So my husband recently cleaned out his closet and he found this t-shirt with a giant spider graphic on it, and he didn't want it, so he said, "Here you go, Koi," and my dog says, "Yeah, I like it." I just wanted to show you what I really love about this pattern. It has different necklines that you can add. It has a little dotted line that you cut up at the top of each of the front and the back pieces, and then you can add a different front neckline and back neckline just depending on what your preference is. This is, let's see, a boat neck, and I think a scoop neck is what I ended up doing for the actual restyle that I did. When I do a refashion or a restyle with a t-shirt that has a graphic on it, I like to make the pattern a full complete pattern. I don't want to cut it on the fold because I want to make sure that I get the pattern and the graphic placement just right. So here I am just tracing the pattern so that I can tape them together and have a full complete pattern to put on my shirt. So because this was a really big shirt, I wasn't too stressed about getting everything to fit on it. I just need to cut down the side seams and then around the sleeves. Then I wanted to reuse the same neckband, so I removed that very carefully. The only thing I used my seam ripper on was the hems. I did that on both the front and back because it's a tunic and I really needed that extra length. So this is how my pattern fit on the shirt, and with the magic of technology, I cut it out really fast. Look at that. One of the features of the pattern is the side vent, and you can see right here that it does have the side vent cutouts. And here's back cut on the fold, and I cut it out really fast too. Along with the side vents, this pattern also has a 2.5-inch hem, which I really like because I feel like it's really nice and stable for a long tunic. For the sleeves, I just placed them right sides together so I could cut them out mirror image, and I wanted to use the original hem, so I used the short sleeve line, but I think it ended up being a little bit longer, which I liked. As you can see, I cut them out super duper fast, and then all that was left was for me to cut out the neckband. Here I have the original neckband, and I just held it up to my pattern piece so I'd know how long I needed to make it. Once I had all my pieces cut out, I just took it to my sewing machine and sewed up my tunic just as the pattern directions say. I love the directions that come with these patterns. They're super easy to follow, they're very detailed, and it just makes the whole process really easy. Now, as a reminder, here is my before, and here's my after. You can see the cute bent detail right there on the side, which I love. It's a little shorter in the front, longer in the back. There's a little close-up of the scoop neckline with the original band, and then I used the original hem on the sleeves, which saved me some time as well. I paired it with one of my favorite black pencil skirts, but I think it'd look really cute with a pair of leggings or jeans as well. Make sure and follow me on Instagram at KoiTeekMade or my blog, koiteekmade.com. Thanks, bye!